Good morning, this is Jennifer with my scrap room. I am at a scrapbooking retreat with my close to my heart consultant, and I wanted to take just a moment and show you how I set up my retreat desk, because I like to watch videos on how other people set their desk up. So I figured I would make a video on how I set mine up, so that if anybody was interested, you would know different ways of how it could be done. So let me flip the camera around. Hold on one moment. Okay, so this is the overview. It is very early in the morning. I am one of two people in here. I tried to get down here really early so I wouldn't disturb anybody. So this desk right here is mine, and I will show you. In my scrap room, you guys saw my wagon. So my wagon is just on the end, and I've got my buckets and my purse. And then this is my best friend over here. So there's my bucket and my purse, my paper. And I've been able to roll my paper just back and forth depending on where I needed it. My gear bucket is right there so that I can, reach stuff out of it, put the lid on it, put my feet on it, whatever I need to do. And then in the corner is just my pile of shoes, because I like to scrapbook barefoot. So right here, the shelf is the shoe organizer. I bought mine from Walmart. You can get them at Container Store. You can get them at Amazon, I believe. There's children crying at the breakfast area. I'm so sorry. So I've got my photographs with all of my journaling and everything done, my stitching, my trimmer. The shelf here, I just kind of put things up as I need them. And then this area here is just where I keep all of my tools, my thingamabobs, my embellishments, all that type of thing. My mat is just that little fold-up craft mat, which is working out very, very well. And it will fold up and live in my gearbox, so I don't have to worry about forgetting my mat anymore. I do have a project under here. I just covered it so it wouldn't blow around in the night. My sketches that I'm using, my phone, my iPad. Janine always gives us snacks, so we each have a snack bucket. And then I was in the middle of cutting last night, so I just put everything right on top of it so it would not blow away. And then in the back is my tower that I was telling you guys about, and then my tool caddy. So very, very simple setup. And then of course, trash can. Very, very simple setup. Works very, very well. I've got my lights going. I'll just give you a quick little overview. And very, very workable. So I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my breakfast while it's quiet. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.